Welcome to Easy Driver. In this video, we'll explore the risks and guidelines for mixing tires on your vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more informative content. Let's get started. Mixing tires. Understanding the risks and guidelines for safe tire mixing. Mixing tires. A guide to optimal tire performance. When it comes to mixing tires, many drivers find themselves uncertain about the best approach. Are you wondering if it's okay to combine different tire brands, sizes, or tread patterns? In this video post, we will provide you with a clear understanding of mixing tires and offer expert advice on how to make informed decisions for optimal tire performance. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the world of automotive maintenance, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the terrain of mixing tires effectively. Let's dive in. Understanding tire mixing. Tire mixing refers to the practice of using different types or brands of tires on the same vehicle. While it may seem convenient or cost-effective to mix tires, it's important to understand the implications and risks involved. We will explore what tire mixing entails and why people choose to mix tires. What is tire mixing? Tire mixing is the act of fitting tires with different tread patterns, sizes, or brands on a vehicle. It essentially means not having a uniform set of tires on a particular axle or the entire vehicle. For example, one could have a combination of all-season, summer, or winter tires on their car. Why do people mix tires? 1. Cost. One of the primary reasons people mix tires is to save money. If one or more of their tires wear out or get damaged, instead of replacing the entire set, they opt for a cheaper alternative by fitting in only 1 or 2 new tires. 2. Availability. Sometimes, finding an exact match for the existing tires can be challenging. In such cases, individuals may have no other option but to mix tires to keep their vehicle running. 3. Driving conditions. Depending on the driving conditions and seasons, some people prefer to use different types of tires to optimize their vehicle's performance. For example, using winter tires in snowy conditions while sticking to all-season tires in milder weather. 4. Mileage and wear. In scenarios where one set of tires wears out faster than the others due to specific driving habits, individuals may choose to mix tires to ensure even wear across the vehicle. While these reasons may seem valid, it's crucial to understand the potential risks involved in tire mixing. Mixing different types of tires can affect the performance, handling, and safety of a vehicle. It may lead to unstable traction, reduced braking capabilities, and compromised handling in various driving conditions. It is generally recommended to use a full set of matching tires on a vehicle to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. However, if tire mixing becomes unavoidable, it is crucial to follow certain guidelines and consult with a trusted tire professional to minimize the potential risks. Remember, your tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road, so it's essential to prioritize safety and make informed decisions when it comes to tire mixing. The dangers of mixing tires. When it comes to the maintenance of our vehicles, one aspect that often gets overlooked is tire maintenance. Many drivers are unaware of the potential dangers that can arise from mixing tires on their vehicles. Let's discuss the 3 key dangers of mixing tires: uneven wear and tear, reduced traction and handling, and increased risk of accidents. Uneven wear and tear. One of the primary risks associated with mixing tires is the uneven wear and tear that can occur. When tires of different makes, models, or tread patterns are combined on a vehicle, they may wear at different rates. This can lead to imbalances in the handling and performance of the vehicle, as well as an increased likelihood of tire failure. Tires that wear unevenly can develop irregular tread patterns, which compromises their ability to grip the road effectively. This not only decreases the overall lifespan of the tires but also reduces their ability to provide traction and stability, particularly in hazardous driving conditions. Thus, it is very important to ensure that all tires on a vehicle are of the same type, brand, and tread depth to maintain optimal wear and tear. Reduced traction and handling. Another significant danger of mixing tires is the negative impact it has on traction and handling. Tires are designed with specific tread patterns and rubber compounds to optimize performance in various driving conditions. When different tires are mixed, these characteristics may differ, leading to compromised traction and handling capabilities. For instance, if a vehicle has a combination of all-season and summer tires, the all-season tires may provide adequate performance in wet or snowy conditions, while the summer tires may struggle. This imbalance can significantly affect the vehicle's ability to grip the road, increasing the risk of skidding or losing control, especially during sudden maneuvers or emergency braking situations. Increased risk of accidents. Ultimately, the dangers of mixing tires culminate in an increased risk of accidents. As discussed, uneven wear and tear and reduced traction and handling significantly impact the overall performance and safety of a vehicle. The combination of these factors can make driving more unpredictable and hazardous, potentially leading to accidents, collisions, or loss of control. When tires are not properly matched, the vehicle's stability and maneuverability are compromised, making it more challenging for the driver to respond to unexpected road conditions or obstacles. Additionally, the increased likelihood of tire failure due to uneven wear further adds to the risk of accidents, as blowouts or sudden loss of control can occur. Summarizing this section, it is crucial to prioritize tire consistency and avoid mixing tires on a vehicle. By ensuring that all tires are of the same type, brand, and tread depth, drivers can minimize the dangers associated with uneven wear and tear, reduced traction and handling, and the increased risk of accidents. Maintaining uniformity in tires not only enhances vehicle safety and performance but also prolongs the lifespan of the tires, ultimately providing a smoother and more secure driving experience. Factors to consider when mixing tires. When it comes to mixing tires, there are several important factors to take into consideration. From tire sizes and types to tread patterns and depths, as well as the age and condition of the tires, each element plays a crucial role in determining whether mixing tires is a safe and viable option for your vehicle. Let's look into these factors in more detail. Tire sizes and types. One of the first things to consider when mixing tires is the sizes and types of the tires themselves. It is essential to match the sizes of the tires as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Using tires with different sizes can affect the handling, stability, and overall safety of the vehicle. Additionally, it's vital to ensure that the tires being mixed are designed for the same purpose, such as all-season tires, summer tires, or winter tires, depending on your driving needs and the prevailing weather conditions in your area. Tread patterns and depths. Another crucial factor to consider when mixing tires is their tread patterns and depths. Tread patterns play a significant role in providing traction and handling performance on different road surfaces. Mixing tires with varying tread patterns can result in uneven grip and compromised handling, potentially leading to unsafe driving conditions. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the tread depths of the tires being mixed are relatively similar to maintain consistent performance and traction across all tires. Thank you for tuning in to Part 1 of our tire mixing guide on Easy Driver. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore more about proper tire maintenance and replacement. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and remember, safety should always be your top priority on the road. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.